Alrighty, what's going on, Mojos? ProTrader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful trading day. We have in the Mojo room, and it's perfect timing right now for a trade. So I'm going to jump right in. Let me just make sure I'm going into the right account. Then we'll jump over to the screen because it is opportune time right now to do a trade. I'm going to do it in this account right here. Boom, enter, micro short at 1768 bid on SQQ going into 9 micros. I'm going to add up to 30. Let's go. Let's head right over to the main screen, jump right in the action. All right, we're riding, boys. I got the MNQ right here. I'm going to line it up. $70 is right there. I got 9 of them. That's 5 right there coming off the table right there for $100. I'll hold the rest. Let's freaking go, baby. Add 1 right up here. 1. It loves 26 freaking 23.6 freaking 100. Loves that fucking number. Loves that number. Loves it. It's a gift for the Moj, right? I got 11. Let's go 12, 13, 14, 15. Hit that one is 16. Let's freaking go, baby. Dip like a snipping chicken. So you can go right back up and make me money. There it comes back up. I'm at, I got 20. Watch me line them up. This is $200 right here in this first little batch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them right there in the beginning. Let's go. This red, I'm not down nothing. I'm just getting into the position, baby. Let's go. Right at 23, say there's 23,600. Stick you out as a pawn. See, take that. Ching. There's 8. There's 750. 19 left. Sweep that line for a little Pac-Man. Let's go. Let's go, Pac-Man yellow. Snip them little blue dots. All right. So while that percolates in the room, I'll let that roll. Let me head over to the Mojo room because you ain't going to believe who's in the house today. Look who's in the house, Mojos. Listening to my voice, streaming like a champion. OG Mouse. Yes, sir. Look right there, Mr. Mouse. He's the $1 million trader for the Moj. He's made $100 million with Mojo and my Heinz trading system. Isn't that unbelievable? He did an interview right here.
He is the new voice of talk radio, Alexander Danilov.
My guest tonight is somebody I've talked about on the show, and my guests have talked about on the show for the last few weeks. He is Randy Schreiber, a.k.a. ProTrader Mouse, in the Mojo Trading Room. He has been very successful in so many different endeavors that he's been involved in, and somehow has managed to fight, claw, and hustle his way to becoming America's newest millionaire trader, which I think is truly remarkable.
Listen to him.
Especially in today's world where you're fighting with so much more big money and bigger losses and faster moving market. So, Randy, thank you so much for coming up.
Alex, thanks for the wonderful introduction. I greatly appreciate it. So I sat back and I said, well, I've got to do something. I got into real estate. One thing would lead to another, which would lead to another, and eventually I was actually a real estate developer, building speculator, hard money lender, riding the world of happy success until 2008, where everything came to a screaming crash, unbelievable halt. But it took me a number of years to dig out from the real estate crash. And my wife sat down, slapped me upside the head, and said, you've got to do something with your life, because doing what you're doing now isn't going to cut it. So I sat there and I said, all right, I'm going to take a cash advance because all my money was still tied up in real estate. and the banks weren't lending money against real estate holdings. Went to a credit card, of which I had 4 of them, and I borrowed $20,000 cash advance off each credit card. Put that into a trading account, and with my eyes open and my brain closed, I started to day trade.
That's scary. Obviously, trading itself, for those that haven't traded before,
I kicked him out of the room in the beginning. He shorted against
trading, swing trading, option trading, whatever it is.
And he changed
Try to
his
do it
tune.
for an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It's very, and he shuts down the room, or he like ...
He becomes your friend. Been for some years, I paid for MOJO University, and knock on wood, it's paid huge dividends.
He paid for it. I'm giving it to you for free.
Well, I mentioned the tremendous success that you've had, and once again, I am speaking with Randy Schreiber, who is America's newest millionaire trader. He has been very successful doing a lot of other things, so he's been able to accumulate.
It's been working for 11 years. He's been with me 11 years.
Accumulate understanding, knowledge, and education and experience, which he was able to roll into or parlay into what's becoming a very successful and obviously
a magic number of 8. We trade through the magic numbers many times. And if a trader, a learning and aspiring to be trader, does scans and looks for stocks that are at 795, you scale into that to break the magic number of 8,
Look,
and then finishing scaling out at 807, and he does that 3 times a day.
Look, Yashar, look at the post, look at the video. You see that image? That's the one you showed me the other day. I've had it for 11 years, boss.
At the end of the year, he'll be making $150,000, $200,000 a year just by doing one simple type of trade. And the best thing that Mojo's room does is really identifies those trades and maximizes those trades like no other room I've ever witnessed.
Yeah, and that's actually another thing that I started figuring out towards the end. When stocks reach round numbers, if there's a little bit of momentum behind it, it'll push through or it'll burst very quickly. It's one of those. What's the difference between $39.99 or $40.01 for a stock? It means nothing. It's a 2-cent difference. But psychologically, just like the 2,000 number of the S&P that we hit last week, and we were trying to hit a few weeks back, and everybody was going crazy over it, and it's 2,000. A lot of times when the stock hits that number, especially if it's an index, you see
how much I charge for my course?
Come down a little bit because
$2,000.
psychologically people don't think they're ready for it.
You can have it for free.
When you start driving for the first time, you see yourself doing 60 on the highway. You MOJO University, but I've made on it. I've watched it. I know my earnings. Trust me.
I've been with MOJO
so
for
I've
8
actually
weeks.
gone in there.
I made $143,000
following Mike, and there were a couple stocks I lost money on, but only because I didn't follow when he said to get out. I felt I could make another 2-3 cents, which is my sheepishness and stupidity because I wasn't following the system that works. It's a lack of discipline. That's really what it comes down to. But if I'm up types of things, so again, that's why I'm so happy. Congratulations from everybody online.
He's worth $100 million. He's made $100 million now. Let's go back over to the main screen. I'll show you my trading. I'm rocking on this trade right now. There you go. It's going through it right now. See, I got 37 micros left. There's $200 in that first little Pac-Man group. See that? There we go. They're taking them. Taking them. Here's the next group. That's $500 group. Told you. You want to see how I printed the wicks? Look at the wick. How I printed the wick. Look. Look, see? Look at my chart. So let me cancel all these so you can see. Look, see that? 19 left. I'm up on the top wick right there above my head. Let's go 9 off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 10 micros left, up 150 right now. Told you. See what I've done for the day trading? Let's see what I've done. I've made 3,900, 3,400, 1,700, 560. This one right now that I just started with you guys is up to right here. I'll take 5 off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's up to 350, 400, and this one's at 227. That's the sim. Let's go, baby. Oh, that shit's rocking. Fought 3 off. 1, 2, 3. Great trade, Mojos. How do you get that sucker? How come what do you mean? In the video, right there in the video description, boss. Right in the description, boss. I'll give you the link here anyway, since you probably can't find it. The Freedom Bundle, boss, right here. Boom. Go get it. Go freak out. Yes, sir. Look at that trade. One runner up $28.50. $28.50 runner printing the wick like a champion. Look. Let's cruise on that right there. See that? That shit. Printing the wick like a freaking champ. So I got my prop shop trader. I traded those this morning. I'm trading them light now, coming into the end of the week for the payout. So I'll keep you all appraised. They have a great promotion right now for the instant gladiator accounts. 50% off. Go ahead. My code's right there in the chat. Click that link. Go ahead and do that. Let me show you right here. Where's them gladiators? Profile. I just posted it. Look how good my new AI is. Right here. Look at that. That's AI. Cool. That's freaking AI Mike. Love him. So I got that going live now, my Freedom Bundle. There's 2 days to go on that. Here it is, right here. Instant gladiator accounts right here. See? That's them right there. What's up, Jansk? Boom, there you are, $50,000 gladiators. 50% off gladiators. Go get them, man. My accounts are up huge on freaking Prop Shop. I'm ready for my payouts. Today I cruised it along. Let me do my sheet for the day. My micro sheet. Just leave that right there. It's a waste. I got a list. Let's see what I'm going to put on the list here. Mr. Press going to get a 50K account today. Is he on my YouTube watching? You there, Mr. Press? You don't chat, you don't get a 50K account. Let me show you the channels in the Discord. Very important. So you come into the Discord. Here's my Discord. You come into the Discord and you got a couple of channels. You've got, first you fill out an application and you go, I have 183 people waiting in application to be processed. Official links. These are the Mojo official links on my link tree. Don't be scammed by any other links but those. Then you got the support channel. If you ever need some support, he needs assistance because all he wants is his 50K account and he freaking doesn't answer me back. Let's delete him. And this was an old one. So he don't need no assistance. Done. Create a ticket. And then you got your disclaimers channel, what to do and not to do. All the disclaimers in here. You know, day trading is very risky. We all know that. My coaching channel. If you need to book a coaching call with me, there's my calendar right there. Click on that and do that. The best prop firm deals. You see that channel right there. Always have the top prop firm deals sitting there. And I got my testimonials channel. You could meet Alan, hadn't lost a day in the market in 5 years with the Heinz system. Absolutely, that's him. There's my beautiful ride. Love that. And yeah, we post as ProTrader Life and ProTrader Kent and ProTrader Panda and Oz and Tabby. She's amazing. Tabby Schnabby Manabby. Love her. And all of my futures masterclass testimonials. I have a lot of new testimonials that have come in. Show Your Profits channel. Today, Mojo Way prevailed on Mr. Dino right here for his accounts. Good job. And then Tabby today, Tabby Schnabby made 1,200. Beautiful Schnabber. Bam. And 1,400. Way to go. Way to be back. Yesterday, she made, again, 1,004. She loves it. And then you got the Trading Clips channel, which shows all the trading clips, and Patrick Debunked. Gotta love that one. Patrick Debunked again. I'll have to upload those and play those. But a lot of good trading clips to check out right here to advance your education. Got my subscription channel. This is different for the Swing Trade newsletter. This would be different, so don't worry about this in the beginning. You have my futures course. Every single one of these images tells a story. I'm going to tell 3 stories today. The first one is right here. This one right above my head with the circle and the little lines is the chairlift. So it's chairlifting up like a chairlift. It gets above 80% on the stochastics and you ride it. And it broke out through this little VWAP line right through 1770 into 1774, 75. Great job. This one. This is 23,614 in a short position of 20 micros. Huge stack on the bid at 1763. At 29.51 and 17.62 with a 2067 and 17.61 with a 2090. With the volume in the after hours, there's no possible way those guys could get filled. So they're on the bid as what's called a NITBB, a no intention to buy bid. They're probably on the ask, selling their shares for a rebate, putting up strength on the bid that they're never going to buy and fill there. And I know it's going higher to 765 by 766, and I'm already in a short of 20 of them up $100. Then it goes 765 by 66 in 4 minutes. From 1910.16 to 1914.30, it moved, and I told you it would. There you go, 75.76. And last night went 76.77. Okay? Told you. Look, it won't go lower. There's not enough volume. Told you. Look at this move. Here's rail grind up through 18 Heinz, all the way up $1 to 19 rail grinding on that one. Here's 1890 sequencing up to $19 Heinz with a rail grind on this SQQ MNQ short. This one, beautiful rail grind, in rail grind at the 80%. Did a beautiful break through 1850. It's at 1878, moving higher. Great 30-cent trade. This one right here scaled in 1, 2, and added on the green bar. Chair lifted up into rail grind right through 811, touchy 19 and go higher. Easy trade right there. Told you. This is Heinz 18 with 2 previous rail grinds and a break through 18. Boom. Went right to 1815. Told you. Everyone tells a story. Look at this one. Breakthrough here into the 1740s to go to 1750, rail grinding up into the chair lifting up into the rail grind at 93%. This one here did the Heinz through 18 from 98 chairlifted up in rail grind at 90%. This one right through VWAP, chairlifted up at 98%, right through 1850, up 24 cents from there. Amazing short on the Nasdaq. Here's the day before. Chairlifting up into rail grind, break through the 1850s, and it's 1860. It works every time. It's my leading indicator. I know exactly where it's going. Like the signals here on the ask at 1860, there's a 1212, and 1862, there's a 1350. It's going there. The short's going to continue to work. Here's another chairlift into rail grind, breaking through 1840 into the 1850 move for the continuation into the 60s and 70s. Here's a beautiful one. Look at this one. It started at $19.11, hit 11 to 19, did a full sequence up to 44, then through 50, chairlifted straight up into an extended rail grind from 1240 to 115, 35-minute rail grind. It's amazing. Every one of these tells a story. And SQQ is going back to 1910 for sure. Then you have the main chat channel, which we do all the chatting in. And everybody says hello. And if you ever do any chatting, you can do it in there. There's also another chat channel, which I don't check, which is easier access, which is this one right here. And every once in a while, I type in, GM, like I did this morning. And we do it in the main chat. That's the way we do it, right there in the main chat. So if you click on that, take you right over back to the main chat right there, and boom. And then you click the live chat and you can watch my screen. I'm sharing my screen and I am on the microphone talking. That's how I do the Mojo Discord. So when you come in, you can do that. If you want to invite somebody to the live chat, you click on create an invite right here. You come down to edit link. You put it on expire never, no limit in the number of uses, and generate a link for yourself and share that link, and we'll be able to track it. That'll be your link. That's how you invite people to the Mojo Room. Or you come up top right here and you click this and you invite people to the server. Same way. So thank you for watching the instructional video on Mojo Discord, and I look forward to seeing you in the room and being active. The more active you are, the more participation points you're going to get. On the left, on the right here are my OG pro traders, Mouse, Gomez, Brad, on subscription with me still for over 10 years. Then my pro traders underneath them. Then my new freedom traders building up on them. And then my bots underneath them, which will tell you what Bitcoin is, what Ethereum is, what the gas on Ethereum is, and then my giveaways. So the more you're active, the more points you'll earn, the more accounts you'll get, and the more bonuses you'll get. The other 57 people are offline right now, and I welcome to see them in the room. So that's how the Mojo Room works, and want to thank you for being involved. In order to change your profile picture, click your user settings in the toggle down here, and then you'll be able to change your profile picture and so forth. And that's how that works. So thank you again, guys. Let's go. Here is my morning prayer that I say every morning. Okay? This is what I do. I come in and say, Lord, guide me in the right direction. Help me make wise decisions. Keep me slow, steady, and focused so I can reach my goals with peace, not stress. I'll call on you if I need you, especially when I find myself in trouble. Amen. Miracles are going to happen. You do that. Let's go, people. Let's go. 67 by 68. Perfect timing for another trade. I think I'm still in one. I'm still in one micro at $14. I'm going to add. Line them up right there like that. Let's go to 15 again. Right over 23,600. Line them up. I got 5. Keep on going. See how many they take. Let the market tell you what it's going to do. Let's go on point. Yeah, I try to YouTube every day on point, but you know, I'm really busy trading, which is my main focus. I know some people really focus on YouTube, like Patrick, because he makes all his money as an affiliate and he can't trade and make money. So the way he can trade and make, but not the way he can as an affiliate. So it's more important for him to run the YouTube and be on methodically, but I don't have to do that. I do it because I'm preaching the rescue to you on point. I'm rescuing you. I'm rescuing Donna. Alpha Sniper wants to participate. There's the bundle. Here's the link right now for the Freedom Bundle right here. I'll post it again in the chat. All of it is 100% free. Go grab your Freedom Bundle. Learn the Heinz system. Learn what I do and how to do it. Taking 3 off the table right there for a profit. And you'll do it, man. You know why I'm in business for 13 years and everyone hates me? Because my shit works. There's nothing to bash. What are you going to bash about me? That everyone makes money with my system and no one writes bad shit about me. Instead, only you do. My competitor. That's who you should listen to. Or a disgruntled Venezuelan 16-year-old that stole his mother's credit card, didn't make the money in trading, and blaming it on me and making a bad video about me. That's who you should listen to. I think there's one of them in 13 years. And I have 11,000 good ones and one bad one. And everyone's, oh, one person said something bad about Mojo. Forget it. Get a grip, people. Get a grip. Here we go, baby. Up $40. Let's go. 1 left. 1 left. What am I up? $477. I'll take that to the bank. This is PA in action and shit. I'll take that shit right to the bank. Made 3,900, 3,400, 1,700, 560, 475, and 227 in the bank today. You know what also I have? I have a tool on here. Let me see if it still works. It's called Affordable Indicators. Let me see if it still works. Because this is a pretty cool, you load up a chart of MNQ. Let me just load it up. It shows all my trades. Here's all my trades. Beautiful, right? So I right click in here and I go on indicators. And I think it's called, it's not on there. It's not on this edition. Not on there. Not on there, boys and girls. So yeah, let me show you some of the testimonials that people have been writing about the Freedom Club that you're joining in my course. Let me show you, boys. Live from you're going to Teachable, mojouniversity.teachable.com. Let me show you some good shit. Let me go to I put them in a folder. Testimonials, where are they? Here they are. One. So here they are. I'm going to open them up. Got a bunch of emails today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 of them today. This one, Emmanuel, in the Mojo Toolbox, how to trade on the Ninja, is learning little by little. Good for you. You should finish the courses first before going to the Toolbox. This person, Emmanuel, is now in Masterclass 2, says great lesson, learning more and more about the futures market. Nice. This one, Emmanuel again in class 4 says, I see you put a lot of work into this lesson and I appreciate it. Great lessons.
Awesome.
This one, Emmanuel is on class 3. Only a pro trader can teach this. Appreciate it, Emmanuel. Thank you. This is Christopher, class 2. Hello, this is very impressive. Being French, I'm going to rewatch it several times. ProTrader Mouse and ProTrader Allen have rewatched my course 13 times to get to where they are. So I would rewatch it a dozen times to fully understand it. I haven't been able to be profitable for 5 years. We're suffering enormously. And I know you've been through it. And I know you're incredible. I feel your passion. I'm right there with you. For those who want to work on ES and MES, we can do the same thing with the SPX direct or the SPY. I do it off the SPY stock. That's the way. You do it off SPY, going through Hines and mini Hines all day long. As a SPY goes up, the ES goes with it. Great job. Mary Ellen says for her motto in class 3, my motto is I'm a mojo trading machine. Hindsight is my war paint. Market battles are already won. I love that. Great job. Maura Stanley is a little confused. And that's it. Great job, dude. I have some runners on that last trade. $23 micro runner on that last trade. See? 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 $28 runner. $28 micro runner. Told you. Look, it's rail grind. It's chairlifting. Look, it's chairlifting. See, it's chairlifting right above my head. See? Told you. How come I can't move this like thumbnail up here? You should be able to move it. Let me see what this is. Customize. Oh, yeah, position. How about, oh, no, that's the screen. Maximize. Customize. Huh. They have a customization. Free move. That's weird. All right. That's pretty weird. What's this? Okay. Okay. Oh, look, SQQ dropped. I'm in. Right at 2,600 again. Look at that. Gift. So I got to fix my screen here. Let me customize it. There we go. Look, see, I can customize the screen. I'm so freaking good. Ooh, the radius, I can close those corners like that. I like that. Beautiful. 5 of them. 1, 2, 3. Take off 3 right there. If I add 1 there, I'll put 1 there. I could sing to Tabby Schnabby. Singing time. And it's moving. SQ. Gonna go lower. 'Cause Tabby's trading fine. She's my trader. She loves SQQ. When it goes up, MNQ goes down. She loves making money, 'cause her name is Tabby Schnabby. She loves trading with the Moj. She's a great trader indeed. Her name is Tabby Schnabby. She loves trading the Dom with me. She rides it up and rides it down. Taking profits to the bank is what she loves to do with me. 'Cause her name is Tabby and she loves to trade MNQ on the downside today. Her name is Tabby and she loves to trade with Mojo. She's booking those profits every damn day. Her name is Tabby and she loves trading. She's booking them profits with Mojo. Tabby banking profits, petting them PAs like Panda. She loves the Mojo room, trading with the Mojo. She shorts NQ and goes, damn, I should be in MNQ like Mike said. But then all of a sudden it turns around and Heinz is and she goes, yes, sir. Heinz, easy trade, goes lower. I'm booking them profits all day because my name is Tabby and I got the Schnabby. Let's get this shit rolling. Rolling, here we go. Rolling, 1, 2, 3. Add into them, 1, 2, 3. I got 8 micros in the trade. Let's go, 23,600, you bitch. What the fuck you sitting there at that number for? Let's go. Dump, you bitch. You know, I can get it to jump. See, now that I already played the music, they're going to ban the video. No problem. Let's get this baby jumping, shall we? Boys! Boys! Where are you? Let's go. And I'm not talking about the island boys. Let's go, SQ. 68-69, baby. 68-69, baby. Let's go. 68-69, baby. Adding 2. Got 10. Wicked, 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 whack. Let's go, jump, bitch. 68-69, 70-71, 72-73. Let's go, baby. Adding, going to 69. Let's go back. Longer it takes, the worse it is. Let's go. Jump, jump. Jump, jump. Jump, bitch. Now, you punk. fucking junkie. All right, it doesn't like this song. Yo, Emmanuel, you finished the course? No, you didn't. No, you didn't. You would have booked a coaching call first. But all you're interested in is a free, stupid $10, $50K eval account, and you're going to blow it in the first day and then come back to me and say, oh, shit, I should go watch the course again because I fucked up the account. Emmanuel. So why don't you finish the course, go through the toolbox, book your coaching call like it says in class 2 in order to set up your Ninja Trader and your DOS Trader and your platforms. You need to set a coaching call. How come you haven't done that? How come you haven't done that, man? How come? How come? How come? How come? Going up to 30. How come you didn't do that? Got 10 right there in the beginning. There they come, taking them. Yeah, how come you didn't do that, man? I'll play another song. I'll get it to move for us. I have a couple of good ones, guys. I got a couple of songs that I could make it jump, okay? Here we go. Ready? Boom. I won't sing this one now. Let's go. All right, I'm getting it to move. Yo, I'm doing a 50K giveaway right now on my YouTube for everybody who's been watching and making a comment and stuff. You have a chance to win right now from Prop Shop Trader. Thanks to them, a 50K eval. Let's go. My choice of firm, the best firm. Let's go. Bam. Alpha Sniper. Alpha Sniper. You won, boss. Go to my Twitter and DM me. Copy image right there. Alpha Sniper. Alpha Sniper. Well, I'm not going to post it on that one. I'm going to post it on this one. DM me for your win. Alpha Sniper right there. I don't know if you're on. Are you? No. Done. 67, 68. What do I got? 22 left. No, they didn't take them all. See how I box that shit in? Beautiful. Take it. Every time it gets filled here, I put one here. Add one up. See, it's got 3 more. Look, 1. Whoops. I got 26 there and a couple right there. There it goes. Ding, 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 ding. Pac-Man. M-Trace, he's in the room doing it now. He just wants the course, man. Are you listening to me on YouTube? I'm coaching you, dude. Don't be a fucking junkie. You're going to blow the account in 2 seconds. Tomorrow you're going to say, damn, I fucked up, Mike. So like, yeah, you didn't listen to me and you're freaking rushing that shit. Don't like that. It means you fucking didn't even pay attention in the damn course. I didn't get your certificate of completion with the quiz. Did you take the master exam? No. It's like, Justin, go run around the block and I'll give you $1. He opens the garage, goes outside and comes back and says, give me $1. I'm like, dude, you didn't see the people on the other side of the fucking block, dude. They had $10 for you and shit. They don't do, everybody does what they should do. Take the easy way out. This is the hardest game in the world. Golf is not, this is harder than golf. Golf, I mastered. I'm good. I get better. Very rarely. It's a surprise. It took me years. It took me 3 years just to learn the large ask is bullish and a big bid is bearish on the level 2, and $1 million of my own money just to learn that. You want to save 3 years and $1 million? Go watch my Understanding Level 2 video course. I made it 13 years ago. It's never changed. Ask Mouse. He uses it. I'm trading crypto. Who wants to trade crypto with me all the way to 5,000 on Ethereum? I'm going to be trading at night. I'm going to be trading during the day. I'm going to be trading all the time. I'm getting my crypto set up on BTCC platform, waiting for deposits to clear so I could trade Ethereum with some leverage, get 3 to 5 to 10 ETH, trading that shit all the way through 5,000 to 6 to 7 to 8, 9, and 10,000. Let's go. I'll let you know in the next day or two how to get it set up with me so you all can trade with me. Let's go. Nothing better. Going to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 40. Moving it out of the way. It'll go right in my favor. Every time I show my screen, it doesn't work. I pull it away. It go right in my favor. Let's go. All right, Em. So what do you think? You want an account or you want to wait? Do you want the account or the coaching? What do you want? Let me know, and I'll give it to you. So he's asking me in the room. He's listening to my coach. So I asked him, do you want the account or the coaching? Let's see if he makes the right decision. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry, guys. So I have this thing that I do when I'm down on MNQ. I swing it over to NQ and I take a position NQ while I'm down on MNQ, because it's too much. I don't want to add. I'm just going to trade right in here. That's 85. That's 155. And I got 3 of them right there. See? So I'll trade it down to $260 and hold one and make money in the NQ while the MNQ is rebounding. See that? My MNQ, NQ combo. I have a chart on NQ right there. Look at that. My Dash Trader, and it runs all night. I could see the moves. Well, this is the micros. So we'll go 11 and 9 and add 1. I got 4 minis. 4 minis on the move back through 65, 66, 67. Let's go. It was just at 72. It's a gift. The market's very orderly right here. Very gifty. I mean, how much further can you push the fucking Nasdaq higher and this shit down? It's too easy. It's too easy for him. It's going to change. Too easy. Bullshit. 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 Yeah, Sniper, you won. Good job. Get that Freedom Bundle, man. Go ahead. Grab your phone. Taking a break for a minute. You guys see how I'm making money in NQ right here, $400 with 7 I got left. I'm going to have 3 left right here, $500 that I made while MNQ is percolating on the other side wrong. See it? Boom, they just took one. 6 left. Move him up a little bit. You got to put them where they're taking them. Not where you think it's going to go, where some fucking paid indicator is doing it, but where you are with the market. And you can move them down and stay with the market. Leave it at 13. Put this one at 10. Put one at 14. It's not taking it. You can't. You got to play what the market's giving you. I'll put 3 of them right there. I got 6. All righty, people. ProTrader Mike. Just winding up finishing my day here as this trade works out, and I'm starving. So as this goes 65, 66 now, we'll make a little profit, and we're gonna call it a day. And it's been a pleasure, as always. As always. Here we go. Now I got 6 of them, 6 minis. There's the first one. Come on. Pull into 66. There we go. Watch. They're taking them. I'll give it one more second. There we go, 66, told you. Now they're going to start to take them. Put one on 14 and one on 12. There's the 14. That's $300. The next one's 500. 65, 66. Come on. Come on. Back to 64.55. I'm going to add one back. All right. Ho hum, ho hum. Here we go again. I'll put one at 13. That's 495 right there at 13. 645 at 12 with 3 left. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and hope everybody has a nice evening. Check out the Freedom Bundle. Give me a like and a subscribe, and make sure you check your notifications and on YouTube, so when I do go live, you get notified. Yes, sir.